Good morning, everybody. The screen, what you see right now is the LinkedIn statistics. There was a time when we had jobs happening out of personal interviews where we had a manager, a kind of stuff where we need to personally send data, resumes, CVs, by data, by letters or post. Now from mail, we have moved to email. So LinkedIn is doing this professional networking in a very big way. And what does it say about us? There is something called SEO that we need to be aware of. Without understanding about SEO, if you upload our resume in Naukri or LinkedIn or wherever you send, it doesn't work. Because if you look at the major companies in the world, major, many companies may not even have a email ID to contact in their general websites. It may be shocking, but it is true. There's a customer segment, that is a different issue, but even a customer segment is completely changed. If you have a one-to-one contact, that's a different issue. But overall inquiries, they are not going into any specific email because the number of emails a company can access and do is very different. Now we have kind of cleared up that place. So what happens in this drop boxes? What happens in this overall digitally connected job hiring and searching places? SEO is very important. If you need to make a resume, we need to understand what is the SEO the company is looking for or using. What is SEO? Search engine optimization. That's all. So a search engine, for example, you see these coin boxes where you can see your weight or something. In a coin box, it may say 5 rupees. If you want to know your weight or BM, body mass index like BMI, it may take 5 rupees. If you put a 500 rupees into that, the machine doesn't work because the machine is designed in a way it identifies a 5 rupee sensor, the 5 rupee coin's weight and size and everything, thickness. So SEOs are how these Naukri.com, LinkedIn is mostly a networking site. So why am I speaking about networking and this? Of course, it's a networking side. Even in a networking side, we should know how to do these networks. The entire idea about this case study is how to get your jobs done digital in this digital world. See, if you advertise for a job in Bangalore in a software company, you will see nobody standing outside the office. Nobody. There was a time when they showed this big queue. No more queues are there because the queues are digital. And there are some offers in companies where people say first come, first serve basis. Here it is not so. It is server basis. It is SEO based. So the first thing that we can do is to understand a basic case study about resumes, where the SEOs change, how the company is looking for. One cheap and main thing about this marketing or searching for jobs is your key skills should match the keywords given by the company. Otherwise, we can't. If this many people are getting into jobs digitally, it is almost unanimous that other than local jobs, which are really local, otherwise, if you want to work in MNC, online platform is the only way to get the job, get the information, and pass the information. So one simple thing that we can do, what we saw is most resumes which people are looking for in online doesn't have a photo. If you have a photo, the search engine drops you. If you have certain amount of percentage of letters which are bold, it drops you. If it has keywords which are not matching the keywords given by the company, it drops you. Or in many ways, it picks you up if you have the keyword. About 80% of the resumes which are in net today actually do not match the SEO standards of the company. People are not aware of this. Still, they get the job because somewhere else The remaining 20 is not the only job, the others also need to get because the percentage is less. But if you are sensible enough, we should be getting into the 20 because we have far more opportunity than others. So one basic thing we can do, we can have a series of this case study and classes also regarding this online digital platform for job searching and hiring also. I could see that with LinkedIn, because since we start with LinkedIn, what I saw was there were a few vacancies in SNS institution and our department itself. So with the permission of head of the department and principal, we advertised in LinkedIn. What I saw was when I advertised as a post in LinkedIn that we are hiring, the number of response I got was really minimal. But there's a hiring option in LinkedIn when you click your profile page. When I used that, I got a very big response. So it's a simple change of mechanism which I used, which gave me a huge leverage. And this became a big difference in me, how to see, and many people came here, and I could see how the keywords were attracting people because this is the same keywords which they were using to hire people or look for a job actually. So I'm hiring, looking for a job, the keywords match, locality match, and people come around. So one important thing about this is we should be aware of these things. Otherwise, we can't survive in the digital world. We will see more of these things, how to construct a resume by itself is a very big thing and a very easy thing also. You can make a job by giving good resume templates to others. That's how it is today. So we'll see more of this. And in many ways, this can be a turning point for all of us.